starting our trek up Mount Vesuvius. Wow, babe. What do you even think about it, Chris? Pretty? We're up here higher than the clouds. Up here on Mount Vesuvius. That's the first stopping place. We have a little bit farther to go. We have a little bit farther to go on our hike up Mount Vesuvius. We're already higher than the clouds. Well, the last time that Mount Vesuvius has erupted was in 1944. And they said that then that they think that the next time that it would erupt would be 80 years. Well, it's 2016, so it could be any day. Our driver up here said that they have little tremors every day around here, around these parts. When we were down there waiting, I was getting chill bumps.
That's funny, that guy's never been up there.
Not even to the top. And he lives here. Probably because we're the only crazy people to do it. Oh wow.
Ja tak się do tego nie lepiej nie tykam, bo ja nie jestem specjalistą. Jak wejdzie?
Down in the crater at Mount Vesuvius. Mount Vesuvius opens at 9 a.m. and we get to be some of the first people up here at the top.
That's how she did.
Some of the lava. They said Mount Vesuvius is a gaseous mountain. That's what happened in 1944. It just blew. It used to be 3 times the size of what it is now. And they have 1 million people that live around Mount Vesuvius. And they say if there was an eruption that they would pretty much kill themselves trying to get out. Not, you know, the fumes and all probably wouldn't kill them as fast as the people would kill each other just trying to get out. That looks safe. Let's do it. I guess I could probably walk on these and
they'll do an error somehow, just to make that total go over one. You know, it's like,
There's this lizard. Oh, look at the lizard here. It looks kind of... I wonder if there's snakes up here.